Hi! Last time I used the mini excavator to clear some snow. I had some problem with the grip, and I told my colleague Stanley about this, and he told me about these best grip studs, which you use a screwdriver, and you just screw them down into the tire or the track or whatever you need, and hopefully it will improve the grip a lot, especially on ice. So this is how they look like, and they go all the way down, so this is like flush with the rubber, so it sits something like this, and this is 5mm up here, and then it's a hardened steel tip, so the life of it will be a little bit longer. I'm just gonna go and put them in and try it out. Now I tried it out, and it was a big difference. Was it as big of the difference that I would have thought? But maybe not. But I could really tell that the studs, they made a big difference. I would have hoped for a little bit more grip, but I will continue to use the mini excavator for this purpose. So it was a lot better, and since I got these for free and it only took like 10 minutes to put them in, it was a quick fix for it. Maybe I need some more of them. It might make it a little bit more better, but mini excavators, they aren't really made for driving around in snow and ice, so it might be more of a design problem than a grip problem actually. Anyway, when there's a little bit more light out, perhaps I can show you the difference in grip, but not tonight, it's too dark. So have a good evening, and bye.